Hello, you guys, and I can't believe I'm doing another update video right after the request video before putting up the next chapter of COTW 2, but I have decided that what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the summer is uploading every Saturday for, well, and not just for the rest of the summer, but since school is going to be a lot busier for me next year than it was last year, because I'm going to have a lot more homework. I'm going to have a lot more advanced classes, and I'm going to have like hours and hours of homework every day. It's going to be tough to deal with. And, personal issues and stuff. But what I'm going to be trying to doing is stock up on content for you guys this summer. So I'll be recording like every day or something and uploading on Saturdays starting next week. Actually, no, I'll probably upload something. On like Tuesday or something. Tuesday or Monday, and then start next Saturday and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be stocking up on some content on readings to upload through the school year, and I'll record whenever I can in the school year. If I have extra at the end of the school year, then I'll just spam upload all of it and start anew. That's just something I wanted to let you guys know, that I'm going to be uploading every Saturday. And I plan on keeping this schedule if I can. And if I can't, like say I skip a week in school during the school year, that means that obviously I run out. But let's hope that doesn't happen. I would hope that I have plenty of time to stock up for less than 52 videos. Now that I think about it, I only have like 54 videos on my channel at the moment. Oh, wow. Well, it should be no problem, because I think there are like 100 days of summer vacation generally. Like 3 months. Maybe like 3 months, so like 92 days. Try to think. I think it's 92 days. And I'm gonna check right now because that'd be a waste of my time. Because I need to record COTW 2, the rest of Chapter 4, so I can put that up on Tuesday and begin my next project, which has been decided but still put in requests because I want to have a nice list stocked up, because I'm going to be stocking up on stuff, so I may be done with this next project fairly quickly, which means I'm going to have more requests after that, and I'm going to want, to be able to read that kind of stuff for you guys over the school year. Obviously, so keep sending in requests on the request video or on this video in the comments. Just let me know. And by requests, I mean for multi-chapter fics that you want me to read. I already know what I'm going to be reading next, because it was the first suggestion. But still send in your requests, because I will read those after that. Because this is going to be a long school year that's coming. Not very quickly, but it's still coming. And, I just want to be able to have some content stocked up. So, just thought I would let you know. Till then, this is me signing out. Peace!